Good morning. Last night decided to drop over 60 degrees in less than 12 hours. As you can see, we have zero visibility out of our front windshield, and outside the snow and wind is whipping by at average 25 miles an hour. Pretty cold out here. See the dash right there? It's just 17 degrees. Pretty chilly. So let's go get it. Gas, when you're off the lake, about 16 degrees out now. Winds 30 miles an hour, 45 mile an hour gusts. It's pretty crazy out here. On a happier note, this is some of the best fuel mileage I've ever gotten out of the Tacoma. So I don't know how that works, but there it is for you. 15.7. Normally this hogging about 12 miles to the gallon on the freeway. So I guess this is what she likes to do. We're out here at Lake Michigan with Michigan sauna, just Michigan things. When it's a little cold, you come step in to the sauna. Why not?